Hello, Scott Hamblen here from Sunshine Ace Hardware at Riverside Park in Bonita Springs, where we were planning to have EGGfest here in a few days. But unfortunately, as we all know, circumstances out of our control have had us postpone EGGfest. We did come up with an idea though. We wanted to celebrate grilling for all of those who are at home, spending time with their families. So we reached out to our friends and asked them to support us with Virtual EGGfest. Today we're gonna have a lot of great cooking demos from people like Chef Jason Morse, ACE's national spokesperson for grilling and the owner of 5280 Culinary. He's going to give several of his videos from his archives to help us grill better on our Big Green Eggs. We also reached out to local legend Ron Dimpflmaier. He's on Team Green and on social media supporting the green egg lifestyle. He's going to be talking about how to cook a great steak, and you're going to want to watch that video, absolutely. We also reached out to Mike Fitterer. He runs the grill department for Sunshine in the Bonita Springs store. He's gonna be grilling for you as well, baby back ribs. Finally, we reached out to the brewmaster at Bonehook and said, hey, can you tell us a little bit about the beer we're missing? And you remind us that you could stop by to pick up food or pick up a growler to go. We really miss being with all of our local sponsors and our local charities to help local charities, and so we're missing them today, but we hope Virtual EGGfest will help. Please post pictures from what you're grilling so that we can see those. If you got any questions, let us know. We'll try to answer those as well. Finally, we wanted to take the prize we were going to give away for EGGfest and instead give it away to a needy charity. So please recommend who you want that to go to down below so that we can donate that to make sure it goes to a worthy cause. I hope you all enjoy Virtual EGGfest sitting at home. I hope you learn something so that you can make better food at home with your family. Stay safe, wash your hands, and we'll see you soon at the real EGGfest, hopefully rescheduled soon.
Hi out there, this is Chef Mike from Sunshine Ace in Bonita Springs. Today we're doing a virtual EGGfest. I'd like to thank Chef Ron and Chef Jason for joining us with their virtual cooks also. Today we're going to be doing St. Louis Style Ribs on the Big Green Egg. I hope you enjoy it. Okay, starting with the St. Louis Style Ribs, the first thing we need to do is pull the membrane off the back. If you take a butter knife, catch the bone, put it in, turn the dull side up, that will lift the membrane. You can grab it and pull it off. A little secret, if you have a hard time grabbing that, if you grab a paper towel, that will grab the membrane and you can just pull it right off and clean it off all the way to the end till you're done, and you discard that. From there, we'll take Big Green Egg sweet and spicy rub, coat the ribs with the rub. And then from there, we will place them on our egg with the small side up. And from there, we will smoke them at 250 for 3 hours. Okay, our ribs have been on the green egg now for 3 hours at 250. For the next 2 hours now, we're going to take them out and wrap them. I'm going to add some pineapple and some pineapple juice. Put the ribs down. Get some pineapple rings. I like to put 3 rings per slab. And then pour a little juice over the top. And then we will wrap this. For this part, I like to double wrap so it holds the heat in, moisture. And then we'll put our ribs back on for 2 hours now. This will help tenderize, get the juices going. I lay them flat with the meat side down. Okay, our ribs have been in foil now for 2 hours. We're going to take them out and get some sauce put on them. And then get them back on there to let them rest a little bit. Open this up. Just for anybody who likes pineapple, the pineapple coming out of the foil with the rub and sauce is excellent to eat. As we're unwrapping these, I'm using Big Green Egg Carolina Bold and Tangy barbecue sauce. This is a vinegar-based sauce. If you can find Green Egg also has a Kansas City style, which is a little more tomato-based rather than the vinegar base, depending on what your flavor, what you like on your ribs.
Just so on that.
So they get sauced up. I go ahead and put them back on to get the sauces to caramelize. And we'll go about 45 minutes to an hour. Again, that's where the 3-2-1 comes from. 3 hours smoke, 2 hours in foil, and the last hour to rest and set and get the sauces to caramelize. Okay, we're ready to take the ribs off for their final. They've been on for about 45 minutes, sauced twice. Take them off, and they're ready to go. Hope you enjoy them. Very simple recipe, fall off the bone, and have a good smoke ring and a good flavor. Enjoy, and thank you.